Good morning children, Sharmishnati. Today we are going to solve exercise 10.2 problems. First one, construct a triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 cm, YZ is equal to 5 cm and ZX is equal to 6 cm they gave. Okay. Whenever they will ask us to construct children, we have to construct accurately. Before going to construct, we have to draw rough diagrams. Here XYZ is equal to XY is 4.5 cm, YZ is 5 cm, ZX is equal to 6 cm. You may draw like this also children. Here X if you consider XYZ, then base will be XY. Here it is YZ, okay. It is given which we can construct, but what they given measurements that we have to write first. Here XY is 4.5 cm, YZ is 5 cm and ZX is 6 cm. If you wrote like this, it will be easy to construct, okay. While constructing, you have to use your ruler and compasses. I am going to construct this one. YZ is equal to 5 cm. Children, I will take double of the given measurement, okay. It will be visible to you neatly. Here 5 cm means I have drawn 10, okay. It is 5, you have to draw exactly 5 cm, okay. After drawing line segment YZ is equal to 5 cm, with Y as center 4.5 cm arc we have to draw, with Z as center 6 cm arc we have to draw by using compass. Exactly you have to measure. Here 4.5 means I have to consider 9, is it? After measuring exactly 9 cm, okay, means you have to consider exactly 4.5 cm. You should draw an arc, okay. You should draw an arc exactly 4.5 cm and then you should go for 6 cm arc, okay. Exactly 6 cm arc you will draw. It will meet at exactly point X. Then we have to join XY and XZ. The required triangle XYZ is constructed. Okay, for this steps I have given here. Observe. Steps of construction. Draw a line segment YZ is equal to 5 cm. Means first you should draw a line segment of 5 cm children. With Z as center, draw an arc of radius 6 cm. By using Z as a center point, you have to draw using your compass exactly 6 cm. And then with Y as center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 cm. You should keep your compass at exactly point Y and you have to draw an arc of 4.5 cm, which cuts the previous arc at point X. Okay, those two arcs will meet at point X. Then join XY and XZ. Therefore, required triangle XYZ is constructed. Next one, construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 cm. Okay, equilateral triangle will have all its sides equal. First, let us draw a rough diagram. I considered here they not give any alphabets children, so we can choose our wish. I took as DEF. Okay, DEF triangle I draw. All the sides should be equal. That is of 5.5 cm. Okay, steps of construction. Draw a line segment DE is equal to 5.5 cm. First DE is equal to 5.5 cm we will draw. Okay. With D as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 cm. With D as center, 5.5 cm arc you should draw. With E as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 cm, which meets the previous arc at point F. Means with E as center you should draw one more arc of 5.5 cm itself, which cuts the previous arc or which meets at point F. Okay. Then join DF and EF, and then DF and EF if you join, required equilateral triangle will be constructed. Okay, observe here. First DE is equal to exactly 5.5 cm, which is nothing but 11 cm in my ruler. Okay, you have to draw exactly 5.5 cm. With D as center, 5.5 cm arc, and with E as center, 5.5 cm arc drawn and then join it. Okay, the required triangle is constructed. Let us construct the next one. Draw triangle PQR with PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 3.5 cm and PR is equal to 4 cm. What type of triangle is this? We should construct triangle PQR children, and which type of triangle it is we have to say. First rough diagram we have to draw PQR. They gave PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 3.5 cm and PR is equal to PR or RP both are same, which is equal to 4 cm. Why I took QR first means children, these two are equal, it will be easy to construct. Okay, the arcs. QR is equal to 3.5 cm. First let us draw. Here I took each and every unit double children. Okay, it should be visible to you, is it? First we should construct 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and then we have to measure with compass exactly 4 centimeter. Okay, exactly 4 centimeter means I will consider 8. Okay, and by considering exactly 4 centimeter, you should draw arcs from Q. Okay, and then from R. If you construct two arcs, it will meet at point P. Then you have to join PQ and PR. Okay, the required triangle PQR is constructed. It is an isosceles triangle. If any triangle is having two sides equal, we will call it as isosceles triangle. If all sides are equal, equilateral. No sides are equal, scale triangle we will call. Here two sides are equal, so we will call it as isosceles triangle. Children, for the steps of construction you have to write. Okay, first you have to write. Draw a line segment QR is equal to 3.5 cm. With Q and R as center, draw arcs of 4 cm and then join PQ and PR. Okay, let's move to the next question. Construct a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 2.5 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm and AC is equal to 6.5 cm. Measure angle B, they said. Okay. Let us draw rough diagram first. ABC triangle we have to construct. AB is equal to 2.5, BC is 6 cm and AC is 6.5 cm. Here BC is equal to 6 cm. Draw a line segment. BC is equal to 6 cm. Okay. And then BA is equal to 2.5 cm. With B as center, exactly 2.5 cm arc we have to draw. Okay, and then CA or AC is equal to 6.5 cm they gave. Then 6.5 cm. Okay, if you draw 6.5 cm arc, it will meet at point A. Then you join AB and AC. Okay, the required triangle ABC is constructed. Here they asked us to measure angle B. Okay, they said us to measure angle B. You have to measure using your protractor. Exactly arrange, children. It will be 90 degree. Okay, exactly 90 degree angle we got. Okay, here you write down this symbol represent right angle, that is 90 degree. Okay, steps. Draw a line segment. BC is equal to 6 cm. With B as center, draw an arc of radius 2.5 cm. With C as center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 cm, which curves the previous arc at A. Okay, join AB and AC. The required triangle ABC is constructed, and then the measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree.